Hello, welcome to my e-portfolio. My name is Tang Chi Chong. I'm studying in Construction Engineering and Management in the City University of Hong Kong. In this year, I've learned what construction is. In the beginning of this program, I know nothing about construction. Although I have taken 2 semesters lessons, I also think that I just know a little bit about construction. I know this aspect from learning construction technology to learning structural design. Although these 2 courses telling us the details about construction and engineering, it is not enough to make me familiar with construction. Therefore, I joined a study tour and visit some sites in the summer. For the study tour, I went to Shanghai and Nanjing. For Shanghai, the most impressive thing to me was visiting Expo 2010. In these 2 days, we visited this in a very large area, and I've widened my horizons. I saw many building characteristics from other countries like Korea, Japan, Iran, and so on. For Nanjing, we had a site visit in there. On that day, we went to a construction site and visited the site. On this site, we can know the difference between Hong Kong and Nanjing in the aspect of construction technology, financial arrangement, and site safety. Besides joining study tour, I visited a site in Second May in this summer. On that site, I've learned something I cannot learn in the books. For example, I know the factors affecting the arrangement of the material storage and the timetable on the site. These are all due to the convenience of the site and influence of the adjacent facilities such as schools and hospitals. Also, I know that every site will face different difficulties due to many factors. Moreover, I can know that the factors affecting the decision of the contractors in order to solve these problems. In fact, this is all due to money and time. In the following year, I will join more site visits actively to enhance my interest and knowledge in construction. Also, I will do my best academically. That's the end of my digital story. Thank you for visiting my e-portfolio, and please leave your comments about my portfolio.